Trump recognizes Israel's claims to occupied Golan. Turkey blasts Arab nations for silence over Golan move. Israel continues to pound Gaza despite ceasefire. Cautious calm holds in Gaza after Israeli attacks. Palestinians protest abuse of detainees held by Israel. Jordanian MPs call for cancelling gas deal with Israel. Syrian regime shells Idlib school, 2 children killed. 3 Russian servicemen killed in Syria. US sanctions financial network aiding Iran's military. Nearly 2 million needs urgent assistance in Mozambique, UN. UK Islamic Academy attacked for second time in 3 months. Pakistan's top court grants bail to former premier.